Today we are talking about what are we going to do this holiday season when we can't be with our friends and family as much as we want to.
I
I'm
know.
Robin and this is Sonia and we are
Hey,
Bali Moms on the go.
on the go.
So this year is obviously a really tough year for people for so many different reasons. But one of the things that's really bothering everybody is the inability to really get together with your friends and family like you usually would at the holiday time, right?
Yes. hmm
Yeah.
But we do
So,
have alternative for you to think about, and I'm sure you're going to share some of your nice ideas too.
yeah, we want to talk about what we can do. How can we, make it better?
hmm
And Sonia and I are always trying to find like the silver lining and trying to find the nice way out of things and lessen our stress and keep ourselves grounded. We were just talking about that, about being grounded and calm and even in the hardest times. And one of the things that I was thinking about is that my kids and husband and I, we have never ever had Christmas with just us at our
Mm.
house. And so maybe that will be a little nice.
Yeah, just the four of
Yeah,
you. Yeah.
yeah.
Nice.
And then we will do a Zoom call with our extended family at some point through the day to make sure that we still connect with them at some point during the day. Yeah. How about
Well,
you
that's
guys?
nice. So I'm thinking that because usually we gather or we meet some friends during the season, but we can't this year. But we can still share in a way some nice treats where you bake, you have extra, and you deliver to your friends.
Oh
And you exchange,
yeah,
so then you can have some treat exchange very safely, social distancing. You drop off, you say,
sure.
hey, yeah, I'll drop off the food, and then you can experiment some food
So everybody
and
put your address below so Sonia can drop off some treats.
yes. Like all the baking I mentioned in the previous video, go check
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So I can drop off some of of these
Might have to start
delicious
now,
treats.
Sonia. There's too many of us now. We all want your treats.
So you can exchange, and you can exchange also like treats, not treats, but I mean gifts. You
Yeah,
can have
sure.
little attention and surprise, and say, "Hey, go to your friends," and it doesn't have to be huge gift, but little something, a
Yeah.
little note, a little card, and then you think about them, and then even if you can't be at the same table in the same place together, you can still be
Yeah.
in the spirit and also connect through the technology because we also have that, which is
Well, yeah, and you know what, we sort of fallen off, like me personally, I've sort of fallen off the Christmas card thing. I used to send Christmas like hundreds of Christmas cards every year, and I sort of fell off that over the years, because life gets busy and the kids change, their schedules change, and things change. But maybe this is a nice way to get back to those handwritten notes that we
mm-hmm.
used to send to each other. What a nice gift, even just a little note in somebody's mailbox, right?
Yeah. So you get out, fresh
Yeah.
air, you drop
Yes.
off, you come back, you feel better in so
Go,
many ways. So it's like,
yeah,
hey,
go for a walk and leave all your neighbors something. That'd be
yeah.
sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, what are you guys gonna do? We want to know. So you got to let us know, okay? Leave a note
Correct.
below and tell us all the things, all the steps, everything you're gonna do to make this positive,
Yes. Share, share,
enjoyable.
share.
Yes, yes.
Bye.
Bye.